In my last tutorial I went over the start, middle and end type of animations where we can have same type of keyframes but we can actually animate it different in the graph editor. But there's a problem with doing this with position, so let's go through that and possible solutions for that. So composition, new composition, let's call it problem with position. Let's try and spell correctly because that'll be quite handy. Click OK. Let's just create a star. Let's draw out the star. Let's have less points to it, so I'll just press the up and down arrow key and let's just scale that to where I need it to be. Let's just move the anchor point. I can even press Y or click on this button here. Not that anchor point, click on my layer, move that anchor point to where I need it to be. Click that. Let's just move it to the center. Let's rename my layer, hit enter. Let's go for star. Let's get the position keyframes up, so press P. Let's put a position keyframe there. Let's go across to 2 seconds and let's just drag that across, holding down shift so it's a straight line. Let's go past a little bit on the timeline, press N, and now we've just got our keyframes like that. As you already know, what type of keyframes are these? We have got linear keyframes because they're little diamonds on the side, and that's what the computer automatically creates. Now let's turn these into easy ease type keyframes, so I can select both of them there, select that, I can click that, I can click on that, or I can just literally click on position and it selects all my keyframes. Right click, let's go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now let's go to the graph editor like we've done before. Let's fit all layers to comp. Now I want to edit this handle because this is the X position. As you can see, it goes across time nice and smooth now. Oh, lovely. So let's try and let's mess around with these handles, but look, there's no handles. And the reason why is because we've got an X and a Y position. As you can see, the Y position doesn't change, and that's the problem with position. So we can get around that by going right click and then separate dimensions. So now we have an X and now we have a Y. So now we can edit the actual points on here. So we can select that and we can hold down shift, select both of them, or we can click on X and then click on X again. And let's go to easy ease, and now we get them handles up. If I click off, as you can see, it disappears. We have to click on X position again, click the points, and we can have that speed in the middle. So let's drag that across, and let's drag this across, and let's hit space, and now we've got that speed in the middle. Perfect. Or if we drag this one up here, we've got speed at the start. Or if we drag this one down, and this one, oh, let's click that there. We get speed at the end, and we get a weird effect if we do both this down and then this, well, this down and this one up. We get like sort of a pause in the center. Do you see? So that's one way around getting around the problem with the position.